The NB Network with Dee Sparta.
Hi, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. Today we are unboxing. We're gonna unbox. I have the Ipsy Glam Plus. I believe this is the Plus. It's big, so I don't think it's the Glam bag. I ordered both because I'm kind of curious to see, comparison. But we're just gonna go ahead and open this up and get this going. So this is for the month of January. I don't remember if I picked anything out or what's in here. I've seen that the theme is dream, which is really kind of appropriate right now. I feel like dreams are coming true of happiness. That yesterday was the big inauguration of President Joe Biden, and it's such a relief to feel a little bit more secure that somebody who I'm not afraid wants to cause harm to me is in power, which is good. That's a nice relief. Anyway, let's get to this unboxing. All right, here we are. This is the bag. Ipsy said they were going to be making the Plus bags bigger to actually hold the contents in it, and I think that's great. This beautiful. It's cute. I've actually been using these bags for all sorts of stuff, and my kids and wife too, so it's been nice. I think I also have some add-ons in here. We'll see. We're gonna see what we got. All right. Okay. There's two brushes, and I can't tell where they're from. Let me see here. Okay, this is Firma Beauty's flat oval blending brush and round blending brush. I kind of have stuff pulled up on my computer screen because I figured I'd pull it up. Let's look at these. I always need more brushes. They feel okay. Trying to see the texture. There's not a lot of texture for gripping of the powder, I've noticed, but I'm curious to try these out from Firma Beauty. Huh. Oh, how much are these? Does it tell me? This is a $27.98 value for two brushes. These better be good. For two brushes, that much money? Oh, honey. Okay, let's get to the next item. I'm like, you know what? I gotta move my mouse. All right, I fixed my setup a little bit better now. Let's see what else I got in here. Maybe this is my add-on. Let me see. Yes, I wanted the LaRousse Beauty Cheek and Eyes brush set. So this, I do like LaRousse's brushes. You know what? I recently just sat down and washed a gazillion brushes, and I realized there's some that I've used so much I'm just going to get rid of. So I've been wanting to replace some of them. I like the grippy handle. There is more texturizedness on this. I can see where it'll pick up powder. It's a nice flat powder brush. I like using this for contouring. Really nice. I can see it's nicely made, and same with the bristles. Here's the blush brush. Yeah, I'm sorry. I keep looking at them because there's certain things I would like. Yep, these brushes the bristles do look nicer than the Firma Beauty ones. Just saying. Now, I don't know how much I paid for these brushes. I believe it was, it's an add-on, but the value is $150. I got it a lot less. So I was really, really excited to be able to get these brushes at such a good deal. So, and if I find out, if I could probably look it up later, and I'll post what I actually paid so you can see. I paid, but it's really $150 value. I'm in such a silly mood today. Gosh, it's just such a weight lifted. Yeah. Okay, this is for Glam Bag X that's coming out next month. It's 8 full-size products. You choose 3, worth up to $428. It's going to have stuff like Pat McGrath Labs, Huda Beauty. Oh, wow. R & Co. This is good. I can't wait to see. I'm looking forward to next month. I really am. Okay, now we got Cover FX Shimmer Veil. How is this a liquid eyeliner? I have been collecting these. I don't need so many, but you know, it's always fun to have them, right? Right? Yeah, of course. Now this, this liquid eyeliner, because you know, I didn't really like the selections this month, so I ended up choosing this. This is a $28 value. Now keep in mind, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is only $25. So I spent $25 and I've gotten a pretty good deal so far. My money's worth. Okay, let's get back to this. Let's see what else I got in here. I can feel all sorts of things. All right, now this is Sugar Rush from Tarte's. It's a, what is this? Is this a liquid dragon fruit? Is this a lip oil? Yeah, it's a vegan lip oil. I do have lip oils. Oh my gosh, this packaging is so cute, and I like the little grip. Oh man, you can actually grip and twist. When you have arthritis, you have no idea how hard this is. It smells good too. This is a lip oil I'm really interested in trying. I haven't always been a big fan of lip oils, but this one, I do like Tarte's Sugar Rush brand. So let's see here. How much is this lip oil? Dun, dun, dun. It is a value of $15. Now it is a 3 milliliters, so, or 0.1 fluid ounce. It's full size. Let's see what else we got. Okay, now. Oh, yes. I wanted this. My wife and I are probably going to fight over this, but this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. My wife really has beautiful long lashes, while I have short stubby ones. And she loves wearing good mascaras, and I've been wanting to try this. It's a beautiful packaging. I'm going to smell it. Yes, I know. It smells like mascara. Nothing extraordinary. But it doesn't smell like. And this is a $25 value also. So that's cool. And this, it was one of the 3 items that apparently I picked. So that's good. And what's this? Oh, this is just talking about Dream It. And last but not least in this bag is Chromatic Eyeshadow Pro Palette from, how do you use it? Dose or Dose? I am bad at pronouncing this brand, apparently, because I am not familiar with it, and I apologize. Okay, I like the weighted feeling of it. Easy to open. Yes. Oh, wow, okay. I do like the colors. Look at this. Pretty. Hi, Bouncer. My kitty cat wants attention again. He's always trying. Now, this is a Smoky Pro palette, and its value is $65. Yeah, $65. I couldn't tell if it was saying 65 or 85. That is really nice. I'm wondering, because there's 3 mattes, 3 shimmers, and the Solstice. The brands are Solstice, Amanda, Kinsley, Hannah, Hillary, Tenley, Gigi, Courtney, and Mila. I am going to swatch this for us because I want to I think I want to use this palette. I don't think this is what I want to sell. And I do sell things that have been swatched or gently used on my Mercari, or brand new also. Makeup products that you see me unboxing here, and some that maybe I don't review on video, and I don't know, it just happens because I get stuff all the time. Anyway, I'm gonna get set up so we can. Okay, so you have to pop it out and then slide this off, and then you can get to the color. Now, all the everything in here is it's a magnetic plate, so you can put things in and out, which is nice. And you can put this in another. Let's see, this color, Solstice. Solstice, I don't know. I think I would wear this more of a highlight on my face, but it might add a little bit of texture. I mean, it's cute. It's cute. So yeah, this is the palette. I did enjoy swatching this. I wasn't disappointed. The way it is able to come off easily when I want to wipe it off with makeup wipes. And it swatched nicely. It was easy to swatch. The colors were pigmented and also very shine. I am looking forward to using this product and getting to know this brand a little bit more, I think. Yeah, I do. So, all together, let's see here. So, did I only do... I thought I had another add-on. Let me see something here. Sorry. Like I said, it's good times. Did I get a second? Okay, I am missing one of my add-ons. And it was a primer because I really need primer. Ah, see, I knew it. Oh boy. Ipsy, how could you do this to me? Well, that's a bummer. I mean, the bag itself, okay, it was, it's nice. I like the, you get brushes, you got eye brushes, you got eye palette, you got a lip oil, you got a liquid eye, and then you got volumizing mascara. That's cute. That's cute. It's got some nice stuff, and it's from brands like Anastasia Beverly Hills, Sugar Rush Tarte, that I'm familiar with, but I'm like missing one of my add-ons. So I'm a sad. Okay, well, overall, this was a nice, like I said, nice. I definitely feel like I got my money's worth, definitely. And I'll just have to contact Ipsy and go, where's my stuff? Where's the primer? Because that was an add-on that I paid for. All right, everybody. I hope you had fun with this video. Keep in mind, I do have another channel, Lunar Blessings, where I do other unboxings that are not makeup related and tarot readings. And I started a true crime tarot reading series. It's also, I think I'm going to open up to paranormal stories also. I am fascinated by that kind of stuff. And I did a tarot reading. If you aren't familiar with Lori Vallow and her kids, Tyree and JJ, whom she has now been arrested in custody because her kids had gone missing. And they have been found. Their remains were found on the property of her newest husband, Chad Daybell, who is a cult leader. It is crazy. But her brother, Alex Cox, passed away a few months after everything was coming out. And it was sketch. People were wondering what was going on. And so I did a reading to kind of see what was leading up in the background of all this. And his new wife, who is strong in the cult too. I had fun with the reading and I enjoyed it. So I will put a link down below so you can try and catch that. And I'll see you next time. Bye.